Hello and welcome to the new code. You will write your first Java program today, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about packages, classes, and the simple methods that you need to have your first Java program to run. So let's get into it. So if you open your IntelliJ and create a new project, I showed you how to download IntelliJ in my last video. So you can just come here, create a new project, but I already have a project that I want to use. So I'm going to click on that, the new code. And yeah, if you started with a template, you probably see some directories under your source folder, but I didn't create with any template. So here I'm going to double click, go to new Java class and create my class. Maybe I'll name it hello world. Hello world. As usual, most people has their first program to be printing hello world. All right, so what you see here is a class, and you can write a Java program outside of a class, just like outside like this, and you just start writing some Java code. It won't run, it won't work. So every Java code has to be in a class. That's the number one thing you need to know. And don't worry if you don't know about classes right now. I don't expect you to know, but I would tell you a lot about that in future videos. So this is the class that we need to have our program run, and the next thing we will need is a method. We need a method to write our program in. A method can be a routine, a subroutine, or a function in other programs. So the main method that you need to always have your program run is called main. And it is, so a shortcut to get that method, it just is just in IntelliJ. If you're in IntelliJ, it's PSV, and then you can hit tab. Then you see the method will be printed here. So this is the method that you will need to have your program to run. No matter how many classes you have, you will have to have one main method that you call all your methods there, and they will all run from here. So this is where we are going to be working with it. Don't worry about these keywords, I will get to them, but this is basically what you need. And to write your first program, we're going to do system.out.println, and then we're going to say hello world and a semicolon at the end, and that's it. So if you do this and you come to the top right here and hit the run button. Oh, I think I had a wrong program run already. So to start it fresh, come to this main method. Look at the main method where it starts, and then you come to the left of it and then hit double click and hit run, and you see that our program is running down here. It has been compiled and hello world is printed down here. A shortcut to run the program will just be to hit Control R on the Mac. I'm guessing it's the same in Windows, but I'm not sure. So Control R, and then the program will run again. You can see that I just printed hello world again. All right, so let's try to understand the keywords here. We are not going to go into depth, as most of them is connected to object-oriented programming, which we haven't learned yet and we will learn in the future. So public just means that, hey, I want this class to be public so that other packages that are outside can access it. Don't worry, we'll get there later. But public just means I want it to be public. I don't want it to be private and closed. And public for this main is that, hey, this method is a public method, just like this public class. And static, we will get there. Void just means that this main method does not return anything. It doesn't return an integer or a string. It just runs some programs. So we have void here. And this string args is if you want to accept command line arguments, which we haven't gotten yet. So don't worry about that too. It's just a lot that we haven't learned yet. So these things are just things that you need to have your common programs, your 1+1 or hello world programs to run. And that's pretty much it. And here, system.out.println, if I said it already, if I haven't, well, every program in Java is in a class, and we deal with methods. So this print line is a method. So it's a method that prints to the console or the terminal. And this print line is with an object, is inside an object called out. And the object out is inside a class called system. So system out print line hello world. The shortcut to get sysout system.out.println is to get you SOUT, and then hit tab. If you're on IntelliJ, then it will go hello world 2. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. And you can hit Control R for shortcut to run, or you can come to the left here and then just hit run, and then it will run also. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. And the next video, I'm going to show you a lot more on doing some arithmetics and how to write multiple functions and call them inside main. Alright, see you on another video.